Madam, what is the issue of migrants and visitors coming to Kortali and halting at near the bridge?
Yes, I think this was a very, very alarming experience for me to see that the migrants coming into the state of Goa from Patra Devi, those who have to go to the south of Goa, coming straight without undergoing any check whether they are infected or not, coming straight from Patra Devi they are supposed to go to the district hospital for checking. Unfortunately, they take a stop at Kortali under the bridge without being checked. Nobody knows who they are, and what upsets me most is that the villagers of Kortali have their bus stop at that same point. So I was shocked to see these migrants coming from Patra Devi and the people of Kortali literally rubbing shoulders with each other, and the people of Kortali exposing themselves to the risk of getting infected with COVID-19. And most unfortunate is that at that point of time, on 2 or 3 different occasions, I found these migrants gathered together under the Zuari bridge in Kortali, and there was no police escort whatsoever. I think this was the height of irresponsibility. And I was also told that the police from Agasai have told them to go to Kortali and wait under Zuari bridge. Now this is very, very wrong. I think the movement of these people who come from the Maharashtra state into Goa via Patra Devi, this movement should be continuous, and there should be continuous escort by the police to ensure that these new entrants into the state of Goa go straight to the hospital to be checked whether they are COVID-19 positive or not. Now, I have spoken to the police, and they have told me that they will ensure that the needful is done.
Madam, did you brought this notice to any of the authority regarding these visitors coming and halting at
Yes.
Kortali?
I definitely placed this issue before the concerned authorities. That is, I spoke to the superintendent of police, I spoke to the police inspector, and I also spoke to the collector, and all have promised that they will look into the matter and ensure that there will be no entrance from Maharashtra into the state of Goa via Patra Devi, going to the south, waiting under the Zuari bridge.
Madam, what do you have to say on the recent spike of cases in Mangur Hill?
Yes, as per the reports that I have come across, I am given to understand that active COVID-19 cases has reached the target of 70, and overall the cases are 107, and this is a very worrying and a very disturbing situation, and I think all of us together have to ensure that we do whatever it takes to stop this spread. Now, most worrying for me is the fact that Mangur Hill is very close to Zuari Nagar. Both these areas have people who know each other and they are visiting each other, and therefore there is every possibility of this disease spreading like wildfire. And therefore, I think I definitely second the suggestion of MLA Carlos Almeida, who said that the Vasco city should be locked down. It has to be locked down. We have to ensure that there is no intermingling of people who have not been tested and who we don't know whether they are infected or not. So the only way is to ensure that a total lockdown, the way it was done during lockdown 1 and 2 and 3, where I think Goa was safe because everybody knew that there was a definite set of rules that they had to follow. This has to be done more now than ever before, because Goa is now out of the green zone into, I think, the orange zone or the red zone.
Madam, what is your message to the public, being that there is a lot of spike in cases in Mangur, and Kortali is also close vicinity to Mangur?
Yes. Given the fact that Zwarinagar and Mangur Hill are in close vicinity, and more importantly, the residents of these two areas are known to each other, so they are bound to meet with each other or visit each other. I request the people of Zwarinagar to, in case they have come in contact with anybody from
Mangur?
Mangur Hill, then please get yourself tested. This is for your own safety and for the safety of your family members, your neighbors, and the area at large. And I have no doubts that all of you will do this, and I hope that we have a total lockdown, at least for a short period, to ensure that the situation is under control.
Madam, any measures you are suggesting to the government with respect to the spike, especially Kortali constituency?
Yes, first and foremost, I would request the government that this checking or testing to find out whether the entrants are COVID-19 positive should be done right at the beginning, right at the entry point. We cannot allow these new entrants to come into the state of Goa, and in some areas they may be without any police escort. How are we to know whether these new entrants have gone to some shop, to have a cup of tea, or gone to a stores to buy something and have not transmitted the infection? So to avoid this risk, it is better if we have the checking done at the entry point. Or else, if it is not possible for some very definite and serious reasons, then we have to ensure that the police escort these people right from Patra Devi, if they are coming to the South Goa District Hospital. And there should be no stopping at any point along the route, because stopping at any point is exposing the people of the area to the risk of infection.